If you are a graduate, undergraduate, postgraduate student or PhD students and you are looking for cracking any agri-competitive examination where general agriculture is the major part, then this particular course cum test series module is for you. Okay. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jagdish Sena. I am being preparing the test module or test series for since last 4-5 years, and many aspirants they are cracking many type of competitive examination. They are appearing as well as they are getting a good rank in their in those competitive examination, and they are getting selected in the different agri competitive jobs. Okay. So, in this particular test module, we are primarily focusing on OPSC Assistant Agriculture Officer, and all the courses will be based on that syllabus. But see, whenever we are appearing any agri competitive examination, general agriculture is being asked. It's not about which exam we are appearing. The syllabus will be little bit vary, but whenever we are appearing any agri competitive examination, everything that we are reading or we are getting or we are analyzing, everything will be helpful for any. You cannot say that these particular questions might not come in this exam. This is just a blunder that usually aspirants do. So what we are doing here, we have, and for your ease, we have launched one Android app in our in Google Play Store that you can find, that is in the name of JJ Agrihub, JJ Agrihub. And if you are iOS user, then you can download Class Plus app, and you can put the organization code DWLCOU, and by entering your phone number you can register to that particular app to our course. Okay, where we have launched 3 different courses till now. One is for JRF SRF NET ARS Agronomy, JRF SRF NET ARS for Soil Science. Another one recently we have launched, that is for Assistant Agriculture Officer. Okay, so if you are an aspirant for any from any state and you are targeting general agriculture, there you can find different lecture modules. Okay, different lectures which might be marathon lectures or some conceptual lectures, then brainstorming question and answer session. So basically, when we are going through lectures, it is kind of difficult to get to know what type of questions might come. Okay, so in brainstorming question and answer session, what we do, we prepare some MCQ, then we analyze those MCQ. So in that way, it will be very effective than only looking at the lecture. It will be very effective after you are going through different notes or textbook. Then you try to solve this brainstorming question and answer session. You try to watch this brainstorming question and answer session, so that you will get to know what type of questions might come and how to analyze, how to think, how to solve it, or how to analyze it. And through this session you will get to connected, there's a connecting link between that particular questions and what else can be asked. You will know a lot of things. Then we have shared different lecture notes, compiled lecture notes as well as handwritten lecture notes you will get in this series. Then self assessment test. In the self assessment test folder you can find a tracker. Okay, so OPSC AO tracker, basically that is named because we are mainly focusing in through this module on OPSC Assistant Agriculture Officer. So you will find that tracker. So based on the tracker we will launch different tests. Okay, or self assessment test, right? So if we look at the tracker, that we're starting this particular test series from today onwards, that is basically 1st of April onwards, and it will go up to 30th August. Okay, so for next 5 months you will be engaged in this, and trust me, if you are regularly visiting this app and you are regularly watching some content and reading, then appearing the test regularly, then your general agriculture knowledge will improve a lot, and it will definitely help you to crack any agri competitive examination. Because see, people generally, or students or aspirants generally complain that after so much effort we are not getting it. Because see, what is the problem is you are not regular. The problem is you are not getting the right direction. the problem is you are not revising the content. Okay, these are some of the common problem that due to which aspirants generally do not get the uh, I mean they cannot get a good rank in agri competitive examination especially. So there is a 3-step strategy, very simple. Just make sure you are reading the content. Okay, you are reading the content and revising the content regularly. Read, revise, appear the test, analyze your flaws, then repeat. Read, revise, appear the test, analyze your flaws, where you are lacking, which concept you are lacking, then revise the content and repeat. Okay, for every test, right? In that way, and that is a very, I mean, most effective way to get any subject. Okay, irrespective of this is general agriculture or any subject. If you are appearing for JRF, SRF, NET, ARS, anything, this strategy will help you. Okay, so you have to first read the content, you have to revise the content, then you appear the test, then you analyze the test. Okay, that's what we are doing, right? So you analyze the test, you see what is your flaw, which concept you are lacking, which type of questions you cannot solve, or whether it is numerical type or whether it is assertion region type, which type of questions you are not unable to solve. Then you try to identify those mistakes and you try to solve those mistakes and repeat it for next topic. Okay, so in this way you can find the syllabus here. Like first today in 1st April we will just have the refresher test, then agronomy, then farming system. This is based on the OPSC Assistant Agriculture Officer syllabus. Okay, we have devised it nearly 51 tests you will have. So these tests you can get on the scheduled date at 9 p.m. only in our website itself. So why I have created this website? So earlier I used to conduct this test through our Telegram group, but now we have purchased this website, I mean application. And why this application? Because in a single platform you are getting all those things, all the content, and see, my contents will be for lifetime. Okay, once you get this concept, I mean this get subscribe this content, you can have access to all this content for lifetime. It's not like that we are uploading this content and will not update those content. We will keep on updating those content regularly. Okay, and what else, why we have launched this application? Because earlier I used to conduct the test through Google form, but there is very I faced very difficult difficulty in devising the questions with negative marking. But in this through this application, we will, whatever questions you are getting, they will have negative marking, so that uh, you can feel like real life a situation, that how much I'm getting. Because in most of the agri competitive examination you will find negative marking. Okay, except few. So it will be like it will simulate those examination pattern, and based on that you will get the get a good simulation of actual examination. Then here each topic wise test will be consist of 50 important conceptual and diversified most important questions, MCQs, and the mega test as well as revision test, they will consist of 100 MCQs. Okay, you have to keep in mind, you just do not subscribe to this you just do not opt for this course unless you are serious aspirant. Because see, many students, they are just opting for the course, but um, they do lack patience, they do lack dedication, they do lack disciplineness. This course module is only to make you disciplined for any type of preparation. So if you are serious aspirant, if you can devote your at least 1 or 2 hours each day, then you just subscribe to this course or you just opt for this course. If you cannot give at least 1 or 2 hours a day, then you just leave it. You just do something else, whatever your passion is, you just follow that, right? So this is just for serious aspirants, just for fun. You do not just opt for this course. Okay, try to be regular, and that will help you to achieve anything you want in your life. Okay, And if you have any doubt regarding the course module, regarding the test series, regarding if you want any special test, if you want any special material, if you want any special lecture, you can let me know through the chat section, or you can directly contact me over Telegram as well. Okay. So this is it for today. We have launched this course successfully, and you can find, see, in our that particular app, you can find many existing lectures and many existing notes, as well as brainstorming question and answer session. In free time, you can go and watch them to be, motivated, to be, consistent, because in free time, people generally, they try to chill out, and that is a trap for the aspirants as well, only. So you cannot chill out for days or for weeks during this preparation phase. You just be regular, okay, and revise the content. So we have already uploaded nearly 4 lecture videos, then 32 brainstorming question and answer session, nearly 40 notes compiled, as well as handwritten notes. And in the self assessment series, that folder, you will get the test on the scheduled date. Okay. So just opt for the course and enjoy learning. Any doubt, anytime, you can ask me. Okay. So see you out there. uh, just keep reading, keep signing. Bye bye.